Sceptre monitors flashing on and off is a frustrating but common issue that affects many users. This problem appears across popular models, including the E24, C24G, and U27 series. The typical behavior follows a predictable pattern. The monitor powers on briefly, displays content for just a few seconds, then turns off completely. This cycle repeats endlessly, making the monitor unusable. There are three primary causes behind this flashing behavior. Understanding these causes is essential for effective troubleshooting. The most common cause is power supply problems. Internal capacitors degrade over time, leading to insufficient power delivery and voltage regulation failures. These bulging or failed capacitors are often visible on inspection. Cable and connection problems are another major cause. HDMI and DisplayPort cables can degrade over time, connections may become loose, and electromagnetic interference can disrupt the signal. Software-related issues include outdated or corrupted display drivers, bugs in the monitor's internal firmware, and conflicts with power management settings between the computer and monitor. The flashing occurs because the monitor's power management system is designed to protect itself. When it detects unstable power delivery or signal issues, it triggers a protective shutdown and restart cycle. This safety mechanism prevents damage, but creates the frustrating flashing behavior. As budget-friendly monitors, Sceptre displays offer excellent value, but may experience more quality control issues than premium brands. Understanding these root causes is the first step toward effective troubleshooting and repair. We'll walk through 6 systematic troubleshooting steps to fix your Sceptre monitor's flashing issue. Each step targets a specific potential cause, starting with the most common solutions. Step 1 is power cycling your monitor. This simple reset resolves about 40% of flashing issues by clearing temporary power management glitches. Step 2 involves verifying your power adapter. Check that the voltage specifications match your monitor's requirements, which are typically printed on a label like this one. Step 3 focuses on cable quality. Use high-quality HDMI 2.0 or DisplayPort 1.4 cables. Keep cables under 6 feet for 4K resolution or 10 feet maximum for 1080p to prevent signal degradation. Step 4 is cleaning all connection ports. Use compressed air to remove dust and debris from both monitor and graphics card ports. Ensure all connections are secure but not over-tightened. Step 5 involves updating your graphics drivers using DDU, or Display Driver Uninstaller. This tool performs a clean installation by completely removing old drivers before installing new ones, eliminating conflicts. The final step is adjusting Windows power management settings. Disable USB Selective Suspend, set monitor sleep to never, and adjust graphics card power settings to prevent conflicts that cause flashing. These 6 steps address the most common causes of Sceptre monitor flashing. Power cycling succeeds in 40% of cases, while cable replacement helps 25%. Professional repair is needed for persistent power supply issues.